Can we have a cat? A story to learn short A words. Pam and Sam were sad. Can we have a cat? They asked. Dad said no. A cat will not wag his tail. A cat will just take a nap. Dad got his cap. He got in the van. Then he came back. Pam and Sam saw Dad had a bag. What is in the bag? They asked. Is it ham and jam? No, said Dad. Dad got some cans of cat food from the bag. He said, "Let's get the cat from the van." He said, "Help me get the cat from the van." Pam and Sam were glad. Let's practice. Pam and Sam were bad, mad, sad. That's right. Pam and Sam were sad. They asked for a cat, bat, rat. Very good. They asked for a cat. Dad said that it could not blank its tail. Has, wag, sag. Dad said that it could not wag its tail. You're doing great. The cat was in the blank. Van, bag, can. The cat was in the van. See you next time.